Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play the burst mode in Dokkan Bell. So let's tap the burst mode. Tap it. This is the burst mode that available until 18th September 2023. So in this burst mode, this is the only event or a single Dokkan event, not a multiple event. Let's type it. So this one, burst mode, that only super too difficult and consume about 25 stamina. Tap the burst mode. The difference between the regular event or challenge event or Dokkan event, this burst mode have some mode condition and some restriction, and you do have a estimate score here. The more high score, the more rewards that you can get. For example, only in human needs category extreme type that may attempt. Let's tap it. Only take an in type character like this, and you can go with the other condition according to your team. And this one key spare, we can just tap the condition, go to team formation. As you can see, there's an evac if you are not, your team not fulfill the condition that you tick the box before. And after that, tap the start, and the burst mode will begin with some condition you already take it. So the point is, the more higher the score, the more rewards that you can get. So feel free to try burst mode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.